Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Mel Armstrong and I'm an illustrator and surface pattern designer from Wellington, New Zealand. Today I want to share with you my thoughts on this XP Pen Artist 12 tablet that was kindly gifted to me by XP Pen. So I received the tablet very quickly after ordering it, which was terrific. It seemed to be packaged really well and there was no damage to the box at all. I did have a little trouble removing the plastic from the actual tablet, but I think that I just didn't read the instructions correctly and did it all in the wrong order, but I got there in the end. The tablet is not too heavy and it's not too light, and it is a beautiful blue colour. There are other colours available on their website, so do check them out. They are absolutely adorable. It also comes with a pen, a glove, a microfiber cloth to clean the surface, and plenty of spare nibs. It also came with a 3-in-1 USB-C cable that you can use to connect it to your laptop or computer. But I wanted to use my full-featured USB-C Thunderbolt cable, but unfortunately it didn't fit in the hole to connect. You can purchase one of these specifically for this tablet separately from the XP Pen website. I personally would like to use this, as I find the 3-in-1 cable takes up too much space on my desk and it kind of gets in the way, but it was easy to set up and it worked fine. The first thing I needed to do after plugging it in was to download the driver from the website. This was quick and easy to do, and then I had to set it up. I had a little trouble at first with calibrating it, but after playing around with some of the display settings, I got it working just fine. To test the tablet out, I decided to draw a simple illustration using Photoshop. I didn't feel any lag and the colour and the brightness matched what I was seeing on my MacBook Pro, so I was happy with that. What I really like are the buttons that run down the side of the screen. They were really helpful shortcuts that I often use on my keyboard, so they came in really handy. I still have to remember which one is which, but over time I think this will become second nature. The tablet is also a really good size for me. I was worried it was going to be a bit small, but it's kind of perfect for what I'll be using it for, and it doesn't take up too much space on my desk. So overall, I think this is a great tablet that won't break the bank. It doesn't feel cheap at all. In fact, it feels really high quality. I highly recommend it to digital artists. Now, if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you are notified whenever I put out a new video. Lastly, a huge thank you to the XP Pen Company for sending me this tablet, and thank you to you for watching. See you next time.